IT, you can't do without IT anymore, because then you're an ancient history and you're not going to survive. In breweries, what you have is big distribution, production, difficult products, loads of ingredients, so you need to keep track and track and track. If you don't do it in a proper way, you lose time, money, and so on. And that's where IT is the big difference. If you have a proper system, a proper ERP system, proper logistics system based on IT, you actually make a lot of money, more money than without it. Mack has just changed the entire factory. We have a new factory, a new greenfield we built with all the equipment that is in the up class of what is on the market today. One of our customers is Coca-Cola, so on quality you have to go there. We meet all their levels. To do that, you need the best equipment, and IT is part of that. In most systems you need to build a lot of bespoke utilities to your system, which is typical for your company, which is a drain afterwards, and with upgrades these bespoke things kind of become a risk. The entire plant was set up to be fast, to have easy flows all through the factory. You have a physical flow, but then you have your flow in your computer as well. You need to see it equally fast and equally up to date. So we needed a system who could reflect that, like almost on time, what is happening out down there in the factory. You have your production, which needs to be locked as a production, then it goes into the warehouse, needs to be available to sell. Some things you don't want to sell, you need to get that out, and that all needs to happen like instantly. And that was something the system needed to answer to. The biggest benefits is, on the one hand, speed in reporting, fast reaction. The biggest money, I guess, comes from avoiding errors and error handling and fixing things. I think mainly errors made by men, but also just in the planning, where you go out of date with products, things like that. All these things are far more within the boundaries that you would like to have. You will never get it 100% right, that would be dull as well, but this brings it very close, and that's where the big money sits. So, without a doubt, I would recommend drinking to other breweries. I think a lot of them out there are missing out on something here.